Hello, it's Sean here with Robinson Controls. Here's a short video I made to introduce you to our new pollution control, the RC-M0750. Originally designed to open circuits on pressure increases in stuffing boxes due to leaks in the packing. It is also suitable for other low pressure applications as well. Our pollution control has a set point range of 10 to 100 PSI. To change the set point, you simply turn the adjustment screw in to raise the set point and out to lower the set point. Some general specifications are: the process connection is a 3/4 inch male MPT, which is made from NACE materials. Its design is registered with a maximum allowable working pressure of 5,000 PSI. It can be supplied with optional car seal lockouts, and it also meets the ANSI ISA standard for dual seal devices. So to recap, the RC-M0750 pollution control has a set point range of 10 to 100 PSI. To change the set point, you simply turn this adjustment screw in to raise it and out to lower the set point. Thank you for your time and your consideration.